Hello friends, I am Deepshika and welcome to our channel Hot Genes. So previously we were discussing the important idioms and phrases of various competitive exams. Today I have started a new series which will cover 100 important idioms which every aspirant must know irrespective of the exam in which he or she is appearing, as it's seen that very often these idioms are repeated as it is in any of the exams. Plus, you will have an extra bonus by enhancing your learning skills and mastering your daily communication. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start learning. So, the first idiom is at one's wit end. At one's wit end means to be worried and confused, not able to think what to do. So, if you say someone is at his wit's end, that means he's not able to think what to do or he's very worried and confused. Okay, so to remember this idiom, I have taken an example of Amir Khan character in the movie PK. Exactly, this is one of the fun to watch movie, my favorite. Okay, so let's see how we can use this idiom in a sentence. Looking at different dressing styles of people on planet Earth, PK was at his wit's end. PK was at his wit's end. So this says that he looking at the different styles or different colors of the dresses worn by the Indians, PK was very confused. Remember the famous dialogue of the movie? Yes, Kono firki le raha hai. Exactly. So, I'm sure now you will be able to remember this idiom for long. Now, the next idiom or the phrase. The next phrase is a rolling stone. A rolling stone means a person who does not settle in for one place for long, or a person who does not gets connected or stays with one person for long. This phrase comes from a proverb, a rolling stone gathers no moss. The meaning that a person who is always moving on does not accumulate wealth or status or commitments. So now we'll see how we can remember this idiom from another very famous movie, that is Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, and remember the character Kabir. Exactly. Now we'll use this character in a sentence to remember this idiom, correlating it with the famous movie. Okay. Kabir was a rolling stone, hence he chose to shift to London for a fat package. We know the character of Kabir was a fun-loving and he doesn't want to stick to one place. So this is how we can use this idiom to express our feelings or words in a better form or more effective way. I'm sure that you will remember this idiom very nicely. So keep practicing these phrases in your daily conversation and master your communication skill very easily, as slow and steady wins the race. Stay connected for the next parts. Till then, goodbye and stay blessed.